In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add your Visa gift card to Nintendo Switch. Now this is a very quick and simple process, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to add your Visa gift card to Nintendo Switch, it's actually got to be done through the Nintendo website. So you want to go over to the Nintendo website and you want to make sure you are logged into your account, and you want to make sure that account is the exact same one you use on your Nintendo Switch. That is a very important step, so make sure you are logged in to the correct account. So from there, you can look for something which you're trying to buy. So let's just say you were trying to buy a game on your Nintendo Switch. We could go over to games right here, and then we want to go over to Nintendo Switch games. We can then choose whichever game we're looking to buy, and let's just say we wanted Super Mario Bros. Wonder. So we can click on this, and then we can choose to get a digital copy of the game, and then we can click direct download. Now from there, once you get to the payment section, it will ask you for some credit card information, and what you want to do from there is actually get your Visa gift card, and you just want to look on that card for the card details. You see, a Visa gift card works differently to a normal gift card. A normal gift card will have something like a 16-digit string of numbers and letters. However, for a Visa gift card, it does actually have a card number as well as an expiry date and stuff like that. So we can simply enter that information in here. So we can put in the card number, we can put in the expiration date, we can put in the CVV, and then when it comes down to the zip or postal code, you want to simply just put in your zip or postal code. From there, you can click next and you can confirm the payment, and from there, you would have added your Visa gift card to the Nintendo Switch, and you also would have made a payment with it. Now, if this did not work, that probably means that your specific Visa gift card is not yet compatible with Nintendo Switch. So unfortunately, if it does not work, you may have to try with a different payment method. So that's how you can add a Visa gift card to Nintendo Switch. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.